Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This beautiful holiday season is upon us and it's the right time to get into the kitchen and bake this awesome gingerbread house. Such an amazing recipe, perfect for the holiday season. Get all your family involved and indulge into making this one. So without delay, let's get baking. First, you want to boil up some water along with some molasses in a saucepan or skillet. And once that comes to a slow boil over very low heat, let's assemble the dry ingredients. For that, I'll take some all-purpose flour, a pinch of baking powder and some gingerbread spice mix. I'll use a sieve to sift all the dry ingredients so that it all gets homogeneous. Meanwhile, I'll add some granulated sugar and a cube of unsalted butter to the simmering molasses and water mixture, and also add the dry ingredients to it. Turn off the heat and bring it all together. Next, I'll add some heavy cream to it and bring it all together. Once the dough comes together, you want to dust some flour on the surface and roll it evenly. And once it's rolled, cut it into two parts. Use one half to make the two doors of the house, the other half to make the two sides of the house, and also the other half of the roll dough to make the two roofs of your house. You can find all the other descriptions and the templates in the description box below. You want to bake these at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for just 11 minutes. You can draw these patterns on your roof if you want to. Next, make some caramel sauce in a skillet because that is what you are going to use to stick all of these things together. Once these parts are completely cut out and evenly homogeneous, you want to draw the frosting over your gingerbread houses. Here I'm using sugar icing to make the frosting. It's nothing but sugar with some lemon juice and vanilla. You can draw any frosting of your choice over these gingerbread house. This is where the real creativity comes into play, and it's such a fun job making these. And trust me, you're never gonna screw up making this because this is really very easy and so much fun. I know a lot of chef skills come into play while making this one, but you can, no pressure upon you, you can do as you wish. So here I'm drawing the sides of the window. You can add any snowfall effect into it, draw the windows and stick all of this using the caramel syrup you just made. The caramel syrup works like a magic. You really want to use the caramel syrup to stick it up because it will hold together everything in place very easily. Here I'm drawing the roof using some whipped cream frosting. You can use sugar icing as well, or simply draw some sugar icing all over the place. Now you can top with baubles and candies of your choice, and this one is going to look so amazing. I love to top with some green and red M&Ms and also some green and red Christmas themed sprinklers. Also, I added a final touches of 2 small Christmas sugar cookies and gingerbread man, and of course that dusting icing sugar on top, because if I love one Christmas, it's only white Christmas, and there's nothing like white Christmas. Thanks a lot for watching this great video. Do give this a try, and I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun baking this one.
So this is how you make gingerbread home. It's such an amazing recipe, full of joy and love and laughter. I had such a great time baking this one. Do give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed making this gingerbread home. I'm sure this is not an easy recipe, but definitely worth a try for this amazing holiday season. If you find any difficulty into making this recipe, you can post it below in the comment section and I will be glad to answer that for you. Also find the full recipe and all the descriptions in the description box below. Have a great holidays and Merry Christmas everyone.